Hi everyone, it's Chloe here from the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel has a variety of training programs and how-to videos for you no matter what part of your body you want to work on or improve. Whether you want to improve your flexibility, your range of movement, martial arts, learn how to kick, punch, or how to handle a weapon, you're in the best hands with myself. I have created a training exercise library for everything you need. So whatever it is, you should be able to find it here. I know I needed it, so I'm going to supply it for you guys. If you like what you see, then press the like button, comment below any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? I have new videos and content going up every week, so my library is just getting bigger and bigger for you guys. Set yourself your goal, envision those results, and together we can make it happen.